Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I love to see you. We are here today again to talk about all things Jamaica, all things travel, and making the most of your vacation. Today we're going to talk about the update because our Prime Minister of Jamaica decided that he was going to give us a little present. July 1st COVID update. Like, I am so excited, you don't even understand, because
up on the block getting dough all day, all day, all day, all day, all day, all day.
I got the tea for you guys, so make sure that you stay tuned because we are gonna be getting into it. So I know you guys have so many questions, right? But before we start, you know what I'm going to ask? I'm going to ask you guys to subscribe if you have not subscribed. If you're new, welcome, and please press that button. It's free. It takes nothing out of you, and I would love for you to join the family so you don't miss out on all the COVID or travel updates that I have in store for you in the coming videos, because I go in depth and it's really exciting. You don't want to miss it. All right, if you are not new and you're already joined the family, welcome back guys, welcome back. Love to have you. So I'm gonna get straight into it with number one. That is the curfew update. He graced us with his presence, and he came with not one, not two, but extra hours added on to every day of the week. The new curfew hours is from Monday to Saturday. Start from 11 p.m. no longer 9 and no longer 8. 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. the next morning, and on Sunday 6 p.m. to 5 a.m. Monday morning. Like, I could not believe my eyes when he said it. I was just like, yeah, we outside. So guys, plan around that, knowing that that is a thing and you can enjoy more of the attractions. You don't have to pack up shop and go back to your hotel or Airbnb because we have extra hours. 11 p.m. You know how many hours that is from where we started? So the next thing on the list is the beaches, the tourist attractions, and all that good stuff. Rivers, everything in between, anything you can think of. So they flew the coop and everywhere is open from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. So you guys, you can actually watch the sunset and the sunrise. Like, it is a glorious moment for us and tourists, like locals and tourists alike. We can enjoy tourist attractions, local attractions, beaches, rivers, water bodies, you name it. It is open for business officially. I mean, it was officially open from before, but now you have more hours in the day to enjoy. So enjoy. Concerning them dogs though, so concerning the entertainment industry, they have been rallying for the entertainment industry to open back again, but yeah, I'm joking guys. Parties, conferences, and all that good stuff. He's basically saying that they have two categories which you have to do an application for approval, but there are two categories: one with small events, which is under 100 persons, and the other one with large events, which is obviously over 100 persons. But you can apply for that, and it has many stipulations and many protocols in place, but they are rallying around it, like I said, to ensure that we can enjoy our little breakfast party here and there, or enjoy our little I Love Soca party. And guys, as a tourist, if you are in the vicinity of any one of those parties, make sure you find out, make sure that you get a ticket and go enjoy. Like, they are so serious about it, that July 1st they're going to be having a party at the Port Royal cruise dock, I believe it is, to show us and show tourists how it's done, like how a large event with the proper protocol is hosted. So that will launch the opening of the entertainment industry again. Like, you don't even understand how much good news we're getting at once. We're going, Jamaica going burn down. Like, this is just crazy. This is so much, this is overwhelming. Like, I don't even know what to say. So I can imagine how locals feel. I can imagine how tourists feel finally, that they can come down and just Lego. So guys, I have all the tea, and this is the tea. So make sure you sip it and be happy and get your flight booked, because we are open for business. Outside. Oh God, I'm so happy. Like, I'm excited to see what happens the next couple of weeks. Like, summer is finally here, and it's something we can enjoy again. Like, so quarantine remains the same as last update I did in June. If you have not seen it, then check it out, guys. As well as the COVID tests. To come to Jamaica, you have to take a COVID test. It has to be negative, as well as the travel authorization form has to be approved. If you don't have those two things, COVID test and form approval, then you can't come to Jamaica. Like, they will literally stop you on the flight and say, well, you don't have it, so sorry, bye. If you're coming down here on a business trip, if you're coming down here to bury your relative, if you're coming down here for a wedding, you still have to quarantine, all right? But the point I wanted to make was that they have more persons allocated to actually be present at the burial site, at the wedding, and, you know, working. So after your quarantine, so guys, giving you a quick update, persons not fully vaccinated would have to observe the 14 days quarantine period, while persons fully vaccinated would be exempted from the quarantine period, and persons with 8 days post last dose would observe the 8-day quarantine period. So after your quarantine, which is already calculated in your stay, because we're smart like that, you can actually rest assured that you'll be able to attend the funeral or attend the wedding and just, you know, cherish the moment. Because before it was 15, so now it's 30 persons at a funeral or a wedding. So we're making some strides. Like, if you weren't invited to the wedding before, rest assured that you can be invited now. Auntie Barbara, you get a wedding invitation. Last but not least, I have to talk about vaccination. You can be vaccinated. We don't stop you from being vaccinated, but you still have to take the COVID test. Yeah. Oh, I'm shooting a video. So guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have not already, please subscribe to join the family, because we're growing and I love to see it. And before I go, I would like to ensure that you guys have a great week, great month, great year. As long as it's great, I am happy and it warms my heart. So guys, I'll see you next time. Bye. Where you